Good morning students. Hope you are well and stay safe at your home. Today we are going to learn about maintenance and revaluation of equipment. It's from our housekeeping subject and unit first. Let's start today's topic, maintenance and revaluation. What is maintenance? Actually, what the correct and the right meaning of the word of maintenance. Okay, let's start. The terms maintenance means is the check, servicing of equipment or machinery or time to time or according to our any according to on our any for in particular device or machines. It is the maintenance is very important for every equipment or machines. These equipments or machines may be manual or mechanical. Maintenance generally prevent our machines or equipments to others any hazards, and because of our maintenance or services our equipment or machineries is work continuously and we are able to get more profit and we are able to function our more activities. Generally, maintenance is divided in three ways. The first is preventive, second is breakdown, and third is predictive maintenance. Now let's start first preventive maintenance. What is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is a maintenance which is conducted before any fault or any emergency with our equipment or machines. This type of maintenance is very important for our whole plant and organization, even our valuable machineries. In this situation, an engineer or worker or a technician, he is responsible for to take a look of particular machine or equipment, and if he found any type of hazard, fault and unwanted situation or condition with our equipment, he is responsible to rectify this. So we can say the preventive maintenance is a type of maintenance which is conducted before any emergency or any fault with our machines or equipment. Now second is breakdown maintenance. This type of maintenance or this type of maintenance activities is conducted during the breakdown of machines or any equipment. Breakdown means in this situation or condition, equipment is fully stopped to work or functioning. In that scenario, our technician person or engineer, he will try to check and try to rectify particular machines. The third is predictive maintenance. This type of maintenance is conducted when a machine is going to fault or going to decrease its performance. Whenever an engineer or technician is observed a machine or equipment is not working properly, he need any maintenance like servicing and other things. In this scenario, engineer or technician try to resolve this problem and try to rectify it. So we extend three types of maintenance here. First is preventive, second is breakdown, third is predictive maintenance. Now, revaluation of equipment. What is revaluation and why is important in our organization? It's not only important in our hotel industry or hotel organization, even any plant. This point, revaluation, is very important. It is also comes under cost control part of technician or technical. Revaluation means after a time or after a long time, we have to take a look from our machinery or our plants, and in this time we are able to think about replacing our machines or our equipment. But during the replacing, it is very high to purchase new equipment and install this, where we are analyze our revaluating of a equipment which is going to replace by new machineries. So our equipment or machines which been with us since a long time, after a long time we will check or we will revaluate its cost, especially when then we are required for replace this machine or equipment. Now we can say revaluation means the revaluation, the second valuation of equipment. This valuation we need to know when we are going to replace these machines. If we need to purchase or buy a new machine, we can revaluate this and we can replace this machine with new. And the machine which is come and replacing this old machine, it is very helpful. This old machine is very helpful to manage the cost of new machines. Okay, so today's topic maintenance, type of maintenance and revaluation. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any query, please feel free to contact. Thank you.